So this is my school, and it's almost, not quite yet. I don't go back to school in like a month, but I know a lot of people already went back to school. It already started, and I was like, back to school fits. Okay, so this video is going to be a lookbook of some back to school fits that I think everyone can rock and everyone has in their closet, and it's like easy to put together. And yeah. Okay, first fit, we're going with a uniform polo shirt. I know we all had to wear these at one point when we went to elementary school or middle school or even high school. So here I have this polo that's like all print. The pattern is super vibey. I found this at a thrift shop actually. Super proud. The print is just all around, and yeah, like it speaks for itself. Statement piece. Okay, for the bottoms, I just went with these white cargo pants from Paxton. Yeah, they don't make my build look good because I don't have one, but these are, yeah, just I think they matched, you know, well with the shirt. Then for shoes, to complete the preppy look, using these H&M loafers that I bought in store. Got super lucky, and yeah, I love them. Okay, next item on the list that screams back to school is cozy cardigans. We're gonna be starting off with a basic just white t-shirt and black jeans, or whatever jeans you want for your bottoms, just that. And all you gotta do is cast a spell. Expect a Patronum, and boom, we got a cardigan. Okay, so my cardigan of choice, of course, is Harry Potter themed. I got this cool Hufflepuff cardigan. Screams freaking like preppy vibes, I guess. Again, I'm gonna say that. And you want to spruce it up, you can get your t-shirt and expect a Patronum. You can tie a little knot and you make it more, I guess, like urban, you know, if it's hot or something. But the cardigan just adds spice, and then of course using the loafers again because it just goes with it. And again, accessorize, glasses, jewelry, and just feel yourself. Boom, be ready to hit the books. Yeah. Okay, next item on the board is flannels. Flannels are amazing. So start off the same if you want, with just t-shirt and jeans, basically the way to go. And I have this oversized flannel, super amazing. I love this, super cozy, super comfortable. Yeah, and I'm pairing it with Converse. It gives me more of like a street vibe. It's way more laid back and chill. And yeah, you can untuck your shirt or whatever, tie it. So this flannel here, fall colors for sure. It's Tommy flannel, forgot where I got it. Okay, so next thing on the board, sweater vest. This for sure, gonna wear it every day, literally goes with everything. So I'm starting off with this baby tee from Wavy, don't know what that is. And yeah, I think, you know, we're gonna put it over right now. Another spell, expect Patronum. There we go. Oh, amazing. A lot of celebrities have been wearing sweater vests. I feel like it's a super trendy thing right now, but this cut and color from Dickies is amazing. Didn't know Dickies made sweater vests. They're coming out, I guess, with them. Super cool. And wearing with loafers again, vibey, super comfortable, but you don't have to wear loafers. I've been wearing loafers in this whole video, so I'm gonna pair them with these Sambas. Honestly, like a low-key sneaker. I got these like out of high school senior year, and honestly, like my fave shoe. They go with everything too. I mean, and they look unique. So yeah, look at that. It just fits perfectly. So for sure, get this shoe. I feel like it's something everyone should have, and it's like a lot of people don't know about it. All right, moving on. Skirts, especially uniform skirts. So this is like a pleated skirt from Dickies as well. I mean, they're coming at it strong. Did not know they made skirts, and super cute. So it has this cute side zipper. And honestly, I just paired it with the same fit I had. Instead of jeans, I'm just wearing the skirt and then my loafers with these white socks. I mean, knee high, not knee high, thigh high, I don't know, not thigh high, what the heck, below the knee. Okay, so I'm just showing here that I have the shirt tucked in for a better fit, and the skirt, I'm just saying, like, super amazing. Okay, and then I changed it out with Docs because I feel like Jack Black in School of Rock. Yeah. Alright, that's the last fit. If you like the fits, give it a like. And if you guys want to see more fits or whatever, just let me know. Give it a like or whatever. Yeah. Alright. Peace out. Back to school.